Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Rajah Brook's Birdwing butterfly in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, you can catch the butterfly around the home area, and this is the butterfly. Okay, the butterfly with the green wings, and I'm going to try to catch it. Oh, wait guys, I'm still trying. All right, and I've just catched the Rajah Brook's Birdwing, and I'm going to show you the information about this butterfly. Let me open up my insect story. Okay, this is Rajah Brook's Birdwing butterfly, and for the active period, it's active daily guys, and you can catch this butterfly in any weather. And for this source, it's from home. It means that this butterfly will appear around the home area. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the Rajah Brook's Birdwing butterfly in Heartopia game. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!